Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've contributed to Fedora projects over the years, chances are you've used Pagure.io at some point. But now, Fedora has officially announced that the platform is reaching the end of its journey. So, what's happening to Pagure.io? Why is Fedora moving away from it? And what does this mean for developers and contributors? Let's dive in. At the recent Flock 2026 conference, Fedora developers discussed the future of the project's development infrastructure. One topic stood out: the ongoing migration away from Pagure and toward a new platform called Forgejo. For anyone unfamiliar, Pagure has been Fedora's self-hosted Git forge for years. It's where contributors managed code repositories, reported issues, and collaborated on projects across the Fedora ecosystem. But times change. According to the Fedora team, most active projects have already moved to the new Fedora Forge, which is built on Forgejo, an open source Git platform derived from Gitea. And now Fedora has confirmed that Pagure.io itself will be officially decommissioned at the end of July 2026. That means after July 2026, users should not expect to log into Pagure.io anymore. Existing repositories need to be migrated before the shutdown date. So, why is Fedora making this change? Well, the migration isn't just about replacing an old tool. Fedora says moving to Forgejo gives the project an opportunity to modernize workflows, improve collaboration, and contribute features back to the upstream open source community. The move also helps address long-standing limitations that have built up over the years. Currently, Fedora's new forge is running Forgejo version 15 LTS, and future upgrades are already planned. If you're maintaining a project on Pagure.io, Fedora recommends checking whether your project fits within one of the existing organizations on the new forge. If it doesn't, contributors can contact the Fedora Forge team for migration assistance. The good news is that Fedora plans to preserve historical links by implementing redirects wherever possible. So existing references to Pagure repositories shouldn't suddenly break. Developers are also encouraged to update their README files, close old issues, and create pinned announcements directing users to the new repository locations. But there's another big question. What about Fedora's massive dist-git infrastructure? According to the Fedora Forge team, that's the next major milestone. The migration will require additional Forgejo features and upstream development work, meaning contributors with Go programming experience have an opportunity to get involved directly. Fedora says a detailed migration roadmap is coming soon. This is one of the biggest infrastructure changes Fedora has made in years, and it could shape how contributors collaborate for the next decade. What do you think about Fedora's move to Forgejo? Have you used Pagure before, or are you already working with Forgejo? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest Linux and open source news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.